My name is Cormac Diamond. I'm the Managing Director of Block Blinds. We're a company based in Magherafelt. We employ approximately 100 people and we produce window blinds for domestic and commercial applications. We've embraced exporting, and I think the catalyst of Invest NI helping to instill in us that exporting is part of growth, is part of real growth. You know, you will grow within your own market, there's no doubt about that, and there's lots of opportunities on your doorstep. But to further expand and to spread the risk of markets as well is an important aspect of exporting, where some markets will have opportunities in some products in a certain time. Some factors then can change that, but you can offset that risk by having exporting as a fundamental part of your business growth. And to do that, I suppose our biggest achievement is that we would have a strong exporting ethos. And again, that's something that we have cultured over the years. And again, through embracing any opportunities there are to explore various trade missions or trade advisory service, or even specific missions like the Going Dutch programme. They are all there, that blend of exporting opportunities are there to round a staff to embrace exporting. The other upside of exporting as well is that it'll introduce you to new opportunities, because you get your eyes opened, as well as going with the idea that you're going to sell what you have. It's also a great learning aspect to exporting. So you say, well, there's a great opportunity in this market, but maybe our products need slightly amended, or indeed we need to develop a brand new product, but the opportunity is huge. So there's lots of gains out of exporting, bar the obvious would say, well, how many orders do we get? As maybe, well, how are we going to adapt our business to be able to operate in this market and then have future success? Maybe not the immediate quick wins that everyone hopes for.